Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Gaming Joseph, and today I go to fix my personal phone, the LG G3 Beat, as you can see right there. And I made a video about my old phone broke. That was a month ago already, and you can see I have my new phone right here. See right there. So I want to fix this because this is lame, and then also the camera is laggy like this. It's see right there, it's a little bit blurry and stuff, and just make the brightness all the way up so that you can see you can see the camera is a little bit fuzzy, and also the front camera, it's a little bit labo, and I want to have this back. So we're going to test the different systems, like this power bank. Make sure it's fully charged, or it can be 50%. Now with this is like 20, 30, something like that. Also you need this one right here, this wire cable, and also this two chargers right here. So let's see if this one, or the power bank, I'm going to use these if this works. So let's get started. What you will do is I just get my cable right here. Make sure you have your extension or your wall charger and stuff. And what you will do is just get onto the back like this, and then just turn the battery off like this, so that it will make easy for you. And so let's do this one right first. Okay, I just plugged it in. Okay guys, it's plugged in, and let's see. And plug our battery in. See if it will work. No, it won't work actually. So I'll try another one. Let's try this. Try this one. See if it will work. And also I forgot to mention, this one HAB always pop up like this. See? No, it won't work. So let's try the power bank. Again, do the same process. Always like that. Oh yes! I fixed my phone finally! And that's it, guys. I'm really happy right now. Just it's 19%. So let's switch to this phone. Just pop the cover, this, and then insert the SD card, and also the SIM card. Just put the battery out first. And then insert it, the one how to insert the battery slash SD card slash SIM card. I have a video about like this, and I'm going to be links down in the description if you want to watch it. See, I said at the description, always follow the in construction pictures. And wait, like this. I just have a little bit wrong. And this one, wait, I just make sure the light is like this. Make sure it clicks all the way in. just like that. And so it's just 90%. So let's go and boot it up. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Remember, give a thumbs up and like this video. And that's how you fix an LG G3 bit that doesn't want to charge. Just doesn't want to charge and stuff. And so I'm just going to put the cover back on here. Just like that. And then also, I'll also use this power bank. This one. For when you boot it up and stuff. And also it will also work in this one. And I'm going to show you my apps and games just like last time. And I'm going to see you guys then. Okay guys, it's done booting up. And I'll just go to my code. Again. Just like this. And you can see my apps and games just like that. See it properly. And that's how you do it, guys. Again, remember, give a thumbs up and like this video, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.